Walking, walking, walking. Bored as crap in the house. Decided to walk and make a YouTube video.
Huh?
Got Dante, Mr. Braxton,
Stop
drinking all that.
the
You're drinking all our cold water, bro. So then we won't have none.
More. No, not with us.
There's a lot in there.
Feel it, then.
There's a lot in
Feel
there. Our handy dandy
Feel
ice
that
water
much.
carrier.
Yeah, which he's drinking all.
He's gonna drink it all. Can I get a
Stop
drink before you drink
drinking
it all?
it.
It'd be cool. It'd be nice. Is
I'll
it on?
drink
It'll hurt my chest.
Here, let go. Is it? Quit, man. I got it.
It's still on.
Okay.
Hey, whoa! Hey,
I didn't even.
Quit. It was-
Even if I do get a little bit.
It was
of
already
it doesn't
open.
matter. Really?
He opened it. Ask Blaze if he wants some.
You want some, Blaze?
What's up?
Blazy, you want some? Water. Probably have to.
It'll be a lot easier if I was wearing it.
He keeps wanting to turn around.
He doesn't want it.
I don't know.
Is it on?
No.
Let me see it.
Stop drinking it
Quit,
all.
man.
I'm
Blaze.
not even drinking it all.
Blaze.
Oh, God. Man, you're making it everywhere. Okay, that's... Oh. Hey, whoa.
Ice cold, dude. It's ice cold. Turn it off, leave it alone.
Quick.
How much we got left?
Not that much.
We got over half still, so we're good.
Had full.
So this time
I had 2 sips.
I'm
Oh, you had
recording it on my camera.
I had 2 sips.
on my
you
phone.
Had freaking
Then after I'm done, I'm gonna post it because last time I just went to YouTube and videoed what we were doing. We were setting off fireworks, and I lost all the video because for some reason YouTube said it wasn't functioning or something like that. So now I'm gonna start recording videos on my phone and then just uploading it on YouTube. So that way I don't lose any videos. Which is pretty cool because I had really awesome footage. Like we were setting off fireworks for like 45 minutes the other day. Can y'all leave my neck and back alone?
I wasn't
Bunch of weirdos feeling on my neck and stuff. Quit, Dante.
Hey, trying to do the impressive point.
I was not. I was
Y'all just quit, man. We're walking, enjoying ourselves.
That was kind of picture you.
Now we're out of the shade in the sun again. Been trying to stay in the shade.
really comfortable.
We're just walking around. No,
Now where are we going?
we're just walking, man. I'm trying to stay in the shade. We're gonna meet him halfway, but he hasn't said he started walking or anything yet.